How to create text in Unreal Engine 5. First, we enter the edit and select the plugin. We type the motion and we need to check motion design. And I close it. And I enter the motion design. And I select the actors and select the text actors. And I adjust the text in the scene. And I select the selection mode. And here, you can type the text, Unreal Engine. And now, and here you can change the font type. You can change the typeface. Yeah. And here you can change the element. Now I select these tabs and drop it up and make sure you can see clear. And here you can change the tracking value. You can see some different. And now we talked about you can choose it. We call it up and you can see this font this text has thickness. You also can change the pivot value, and this text have pivots now. And you can use the outline, but I don't want it now. And next, we talk about the material. And here, you can select any style you want. And I select the color. And here I set some colors. And you can see something change in our text. Now, but I want to use the material, and also you can use only one material. Here I have some metal material. I drop to here, and this material is downloaded from Fab. It's the metal material. And also you can use some different material. Yeah, you can choose any material you want. You can see something different than before. And you can close the text shadow. And now I use only one material. Yeah, I think it's perfect. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.